Who pays the taxes for an estate? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana probate lawyer, and today I'd like to explain and answer to that question for you because it was recently asked of me. Well, typically you have to look at the estate documents. You have to take a look at the will. Most wills say that the estate itself is responsible to pay the taxes. So typically the beneficiaries will not pay the taxes, but the estate will pay the taxes before the money is distributed to the beneficiaries. Now, for the kinds of estates that I handle, I definitely don't, most of the time, well, I haven't had to deal with any federal and estate gift tax because I haven't had any estates with over the gift tax exemption, which is 11 and change for an individual and over $20 million for a couple. So typically the taxes that we look at, because in Indiana there's no state death tax anymore, typically the taxes that the personal representatives that I deal with have to file are usually the last personal tax return of the person who passed away, and that would be an estate expense. So if there's tax that's owed, it'll come out of the estate monies. And then sometimes there are taxes that are due because there's rental property and there's income that is made by the estate. So in the estate tax return, especially if the estate goes on for a number of years, there could be taxes that need to be paid. And also, if there is a capital gains tax. And one of the ways that we will see a capital gains tax is if stock has been held for a while, or a real property has been held for a while, and the stock or the property appreciated from the time of the decedent's death until the time that the property was sold. For instance, if the home was worth $100,000 at the time of death, and the home ended up selling for $200,000 a year or two later, at that point in time you would have a $100,000 capital gain, the 200 minus the 100, which was the date of death value, and the estate would have to pay taxes on that. So typically it is the estate that will pay the taxes, not the beneficiaries individually, unless there's something in the documents which say that the tax liability goes to the beneficiary who gets whatever the asset is that the tax is attached to. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.